How everybody doing? I'm introducing the nucleus lateral raise, do's and don'ts, rights and wrongs. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe, all right? First things first, always make sure your seat is in the correct spot. If the seat's not right, we're gonna stop, all right? Mine's a 5 as we know, so we keep it there. Your weight, always remember you wanna get you something that's nice and something that's effective. You don't wanna go something that's too heavy, you don't wanna go something that's too light. You just wanna feel it and it's effective. That's the main thing. So if you get in a machine and if your weight automatically is light, and I see a lot of people that get in the machines and, oh man, I got it. No, that means the weight is entirely too light. It's not even challenging the muscle. That's what that means. And if you put something on there that's just very, very beyond heavy, of course we know it's just, you don't want to look like it's just too much. That's not the point of working out. You want something nice, it's effective, and you can feel it. That's what it's about. Let's get us to 65. Or 50 would be better. You want to sit in straight. You want to place your elbows right here by this pad. Grab these little handles. Big posture, posture straight. Right out to the side. Bring them down slow. Just like that. Perfect flow. Go through the motions. All right. So what you don't want to do, all right? If it's like that, it doesn't even look right. I mean, like, all right. So it's just not going to work. Let's just be reasonable. We go all the way up here. All right. So, I mean, either way it go, we're just here to get us a good workout and an effective workout. But make sure you're in the right spot and everything's set and correct before you even start. Let's get healthy. Let's take care of ourselves. Y'all want it? Tap in.